So this is what it actually looks like once you're able to connect all the necessary accessories for this video camera. Hey everyone, so this is Dr. Sala once again of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and web development in healthcare. And also, if you want to learn more about digital health.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even
If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new contents. Also, please make sure if you like this content, please make sure to click that like button so that I can go on creating more videos such as this one. Now today we are not going to talk about health and technology. Instead, we are going to do a product review on this nice Ultra HD 2.7K camcorder, and this is what it looks like. So it's interesting, it's nice, it's cool, it's handy, and later on I'm actually going to shoot videos with this camcorder. I'm gonna see to it that it makes nice recordings. So I hope you enjoy because this is gonna be fun. Okay, to sum it up, this is actually a great product because with all these accessories in mind, and especially for new YouTubers, beginner YouTubers who want to start or create their own contents in YouTube. So what I have to, there's a caveat though, make sure you have your own SD card because it does not include an SD card. And in fact, I'm actually right now using the microphone, connecting it with my with my laptop, with the Microsoft laptop. So overall, yeah, I'd give it, let's say, I mean, for if it's let's say 10, I'd say give it a 9 out of 10. So this is a nice product, and this is some caveat. Other than the SD card, it is unable to actually so the zoom is not so good because there's no autofocus and no stabilization. But in terms of its intuitiveness, it's very intuitive. So anyone who, you don't have to have basic or fundamental knowledge in camera or any of that to be able to make it work or to make it functional. Because even with some baseline knowledge or with no knowledge at all, you can already use this product. And the Microsoft is since the microphone is really good, because it is able to so there's 3 decibels, there's 0, there's -10, and there's also 20 decibels, and with those decibels you can actually hear a lot better or record much better audio for your content. So the next part of this video is really showing you all the videos that I took in New York, in Manhattan, and some areas upstate, wherein I did not filter even the audio, so you can really hear and see the videos as it is, using only this product. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
You gotta understand what I'm saying, man.
are now going back to Queens.